Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about solving system of equations by a second algebraic method, which is elimination by addition. Now let's take a look at the same system of equations that we used in the last two videos. This time we're going to solve the same system using elimination by addition. And the first step in solving a system by elimination is to ask yourself a very important question. Do we have additive inverses on both equations? Additive inverses means two of the same terms, one has a positive sign and the other one has a negative sign. And in this case, we have y in both equations, one with a positive sign and the other one with a negative sign. We have y and negative y. Y and negative y are considered additive inverses. If your system has additive inverses, you need to move on to the next step. If not, you can work with one or with both equations to create additive inverses and use elimination to solve the system. Now, the next step is to add both equations to get rid of one of the variables. And in this case, when we add the additive inverses, y and negative y, we end up with 0. Y minus y is 0. 2x plus 4x is going to be 6x. And then 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. So now we have one-step equation that we need to solve to find the second variable. Now we solve the equation for the second variable by dividing both sides by 6, which make us end up with x equals 1, and 1 is going to be the x coordinate of the solution for this system. Now, the next step is to find the value of the eliminated variable by substituting the founded variable in one of the equations, and it doesn't matter which one of the original equations you use. So I'm choosing y equals 2x equals 5. I'm going to substitute the value of x instead of x. So I'm going to switch x with 1. I'm going to end up with y equals 2 times 1, that's a 2 equals 5. This is a one-step equation. All I need to do is to subtract 2 from both sides to be able to find the value of y, which is y equals 3. So the solution for this system of equations is 1, 3. And this is the exact solution that we got when we solved the same system graphically, and the same solution that we got when we solved the same system by substitution. Now, to also check if I have the right solution for the system, I can also substitute the value of x and y in the second equation of the system. And when I substitute y with 3 and x with 1, I should check if I end up with a true statement or not. Negative 3 plus 4 times 1, that's a 4, equals 1. We know that negative 3 plus 4 is 1, which makes me end with a true statement. And that verifies that 1, 3 is indeed the solution for this system.